Words. 18. Familiar. The song sounded familiar to me. She has a familiar face. 19. Famine. The drought caused a severe famine. Many people died during the famine in the 19th century. 20. Fan. She's a big fan of classical music. He used a fan to cool himself down in the summer heat. 21. Fang. The snake has a venomous fang. The wolf showed its sharp fangs when it growled. 22. Fantastic. She had a fantastic time at the concert. His artwork is truly fantastic and unique. 23. Fantasy. She loves reading fantasy novels. Winning the lottery was like a fantasy come true. 24. Farm. They own a farm with lots of animals. He worked on the farm during the summer. 25. Fart. He tried to hold in a fart during the meeting. Kids often find it funny when someone farts. 26. Farther. She moved farther away from the city. He can run farther than anyone else in his class. 27. Fast. The car was going fast down the highway. She decided to fast for health reasons. 28. Fast asleep. The baby was fast asleep by 8 p.m. I found her fast asleep on the couch. 29. Fat. He tries to avoid foods high in fat. The doctor advised her to reduce body fat. 30. Fatal. The accident was fatal for the driver. Eating those wild mushrooms can be fatal. 31. Fate. She believes fate brought them together. They left their future to fate and waited to see what would happen. 32. Fathom. He couldn't fathom why she would leave. I can't fathom the depth of that ocean. 33. Fatigue. He felt extreme fatigue after the long hike. Her fatigue was evident from her slow movements.